Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Commerce Objective Past Question 40. Establishing objectives and determining the best way to accomplish them is a management function of A. Controlling, B. Directing, C. Organizing, D. Planning, E. Staffing. So let's look at what each of these functions of management or management functions stand for and which one best fits into this description given to us in the question, which is establishing objectives and determining the best way to accomplish them. So option A, which is controlling, involves setting standards, measuring progress with the set standards and taking corrective action to minimize errors, thus achieving the objective. So option B, which is directing, involves getting or organizing people to carry out the decisions quickly, efficiently, and with minimum force. Option C, which is organizing, involves arranging resources that are available, and these resources could include people, money, etc., to achieve the objectives of an organization. Option D, which is planning, involves setting goals and devising procedures for meeting the goals. And lastly, staffing is simply the process of organizing human resources in such a way that the organization has the right people at the right place and in the right positions to achieve the goals or objectives. So from the definitions of these management functions we have looked at, option D, which is planning, involves setting goals. Setting goals can be a substitute for establishing objectives, and then devising procedures for meeting those goals can be substituted for determining the best way to accomplish them or accomplish those goals. So establishing objectives and determining the best way to accomplish them is a management function of D, planning, as we have seen from the definition. So D, planning, is the correct answer to this question. And please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.